Bonjour à tous et bienvenue à nouveau sur la page NIPUB.
Listening test. In the listening test, you will be asked to demonstrate how well you understand spoken English. The entire listening test will last approximately 45 minutes. There are 4 parts, and directions are given for each part. You must mark your answers on the separate answer sheet. Do not write your answers in your test book. Part 1. Directions. For each question in this part, you will hear 4 statements about a picture in your test book. When you hear the statements, you must select the one statement that best describes what you see in the picture. Then, find the number of the question on your answer sheet and mark your answer. The statements will not be printed in your test book and will be spoken only one time. Look at the example item below. Now, listen to the 4 statements. A.
They're moving some furniture.
B.
They're entering a meeting room.
C.
They're sitting at a table.
D.
They're cleaning the carpet.
Statement C.
They're sitting at a table.
Is the best description of the picture, so you should select answer C and mark it on your answer sheet. Now, part 1 will begin. Number 1. Look at the picture marked number 1 in your test book. A.
She's searching in her handbag.
B.
She's looking in a display case.
C.
She's paying for a purchase.
D.
She's holding some flowers.
Number 2. Look at the picture marked number 2 in your test book. A.
The man is switching off a lamp.
B.
The man is opening some curtains.
C.
The man is seated by a window.
D.
The man is hanging some photographs on the wall.
Go on to the next page. Number 3. Look at the picture marked number 3 in your test book. A.
Some chairs are arranged in a circle.
B.
Some stairs are being cleaned.
C.
A roof is being repaired.
D.
A tree is being trimmed.
Number 4. Look at the picture marked number 4 in your test book. A.
One of the women is wearing a scarf.
B.
The women are talking to each other.
C.
The man is pouring coffee into a cup.
D.
The people are closing their menus.
Number 5. Look at the picture marked number 5 in your test book. A.
A notice is being hung on a post.
B.
The women are walking toward a doorway.
C.
The man is changing a bicycle tire.
D.
A basket is being removed from a cart.
Number 6. Look at the picture marked number 6 in your test book. A.
A shop assistant is giving a man some money.
B.
Some people are entering a supermarket.
C.
A cashier is putting merchandise into a bag.
D.
Some customers are waiting in line.
Go on to the next page. Part 2. Directions. You will hear a question or statement and 3 responses spoken in English. They will not be printed in your test book and will be spoken only one time. Select the best response to the question or statement and mark the letter A, B, or C on your answer sheet. Now, let us begin with question number 7. Number 7.
When did you buy your new phone?
A,
The store is close to my house.
B,
Last week when it was on sale.
C.
I think it's the same number.
Number 8.
Do you know where Keiko's office is?
A,
That's the official logo.
B,
To reserve a room.
C.
It's on the second floor.
Number 9.
That was a short movie, wasn't it?
A,
The theatre on Glen Road.
B,
You're right, it was only an hour.
C.
I must have misplaced it.
Number 10.
Where can I find a building directory?
A,
In 2 weeks.
B,
No, thank you.
C.
Near the front entrance.
Number 11.
Who's going to lead the merger negotiations?
A,
John Sanchez is.
B,
Thanks, I appreciate it.
C.
No, that's not mine.
Number 12.
How do I contact the financial consultant?
A,
A free consultation.
B,
He left his business card.
C.
In a few more days.
Number 13.
When is the health inspector coming?
A,
Anytime this week.
B,
It's good for your health.
C.
At the back door.
Number 14.
Wasn't this assignment due last week?
A,
It's taking longer than we thought.
B,
Sign at the bottom of the page.
C.
No, you don't need permission.
Number 15.
Whose turn is it to buy coffee?
A,
2 sugars, please.
B,
In the kitchen.
C.
I already bought it.
Number 16.
Where will the company retreat be next year?
A,
Every year.
B,
It hasn't been decided yet.
C.
Yes, I've been there.
Number 17.
Let's discuss the building designs this morning.
A,
We can do it this afternoon instead.
B,
The sign on the wall.
C.
Does he work in that building too?
Number 18.
Why is there a cake sitting out on the front desk?
A,
The potted plant on the ground.
B,
I'll answer the phone.
C.
Because Barb's party is today.
Number 19.
How are we going to move all of these office chairs?
A,
Sergio will help us.
B,
Across the hallway.
C.
Have a seat by the window.
Number 20.
Have you gone to the leadership training yet?
A,
A new training manual.
B,
Sure, we can leave some for you.
C.
I didn't know it was required.